Spread it even towards the walls. Got it, keep it wet. Need more mud here.
This section is coming along nicely. Yeah, the curve is holding up. Got more mix ready here. Good, bring it over. Looks smooth, almost done.
Hand me some more mortar, coming right up. Thanks. This corner needs to be strong. Got it, looks solid.
Almost done with this section. Looks good. I'll clean it up. Pass me that grout bucket.
Here you go.
Gracias.
Let's get these canals up fast. Ready with the mortar. Extend the spouts past the edge. Seal tight, water test now. Perfect flow, great work, team.
Looks level, ready to lift.
Okay, on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Seal is set, tap it in.
Reels on, secure it. Reels on, all secure.
Looks deep set.
Let's get this sheen right.
Almost there, outlining the nichos.
It's getting so radiant.
Just a bit more polish.
Look, the lights are coming on.
It's magical. A perfect evening.
To our little paradise.
To us.
These prickly pears are ready.
Chilies are roasting up nicely.
Herbs are done, to the oven.
Perfect. Let's get these baskets.
What a harvest!
How do you make it grow so fast? Watch, the shuttle flies, the bitter packs, it grows quickly.
Amazing! It's growing right before my eyes.
Yes, practice and you will weave beautifully.
Look how fast the sun is setting tonight.
Incredible. The lights are coming on.
It's so beautiful.
Splash attack! Yeah! Can't judge me! This is so fun! More water!
This fire is just what we needed.
Absolutely, it's so cozy in here.
Look at the snow outside.
This hot drink is perfect.
I'm so glad we're all here.